Homostarry 1-inch tungsten cube. Amazing learning prop to learn the relation between volume, density, mass, and weight. 25.4mm desktop decoration. This cube is awesome. I purchased it alongside a 10-piece density demo set of other 1-inch cubes, and the density difference is immensely noticeable. Everything about this cube will absolutely transform your expectations. Let's start with the appearance. The cube arrived flawless, no scratches or marks of any kind. The edges and corners square and sharp as could be. Now onto the important stuff. I'm absolutely amazed by the intensity of its density. Anyone who thinks you need to pump iron to get stronger should just get a tungsten cube. It transforms the way you perceive reality and bends into your reach countless new possibilities. Definitely seems to be tungsten. With such a high density, there are very few other elements it could be besides tungsten. Feel the weight. Looks great. An awesome cube of density, exactly as described. First class tungsten cube. It's on my desk, what it needs to be. I use this in contrast with a tungsten square from the same company to show the difference in density of two metals safe to handle. Nice and dense. The product itself is great and high quality. See, the problem I have with it is probably my fault in that I expected the weight in the hand to be more noticeable between this and an aluminium cube if the same dimensions. Some people aren't ready for the cube. I'm afraid that I am one of those people. My tungsten cube left me without warning one night. I'm not sure what happened, but I have not seen the cube in months. I hope it is doing okay without me. It's a little tiny piece of frickin' tungsten, what's not to like? It's a tiny monolith, perplexing to the mind and bewitching to the soul. Tungsten cube metal density cubes pure metal high density element cube for element collections lab experiment material hobbies. It's a tungsten cube. Came in a box. One con. Came with wrong fact sheet. I bought the cube, but came with the sphere fact sheet. After I bought it, I had a nightmare about my cousin molding and changing its shape with his hands. That's when I realized it's a dream and woke up. This thing is immortal, indestructible, resistant to all forms of degradation. This thing is so dense, it spawns miniature, undetectable black holes with infinitely short lifespans, reason why I'm alive and able to write this, out of its vertices. It will outlive me, you and your kids, and your kids' kids, and your kids' kids' kids, and your kids' 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 kids, and your kids' 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 cousins. Gosh, I wish I had the money to buy Sam Beckman-Fried's cube, which was about 12 inches square and weighed a ton, but I couldn't spare the $250,000 it cost. Oh well, maybe next birthday. Very nice. It's good to use for destruct babies.